across the window has a line, but nothing hides the colour of the lights that shine. Electricity so fine, look and dry your eyes. So tired of all the darkness in our lives, no more angry words to say that come alive. Get into a car and drive to the other baby, stepping out into the night, into the light, you babe, stepping out. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Four Fingers again with you for hopefully another interesting oldie goldie. This one's from Joe Jackson, of course, and a classic song of his, Steppin' Out, okay, which is mainly obviously a keyboard song, but this is a transposition to the guitar, single guitar version, slightly simplified, more sort of in vein with a Campfire version, if you like. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on fret 2. This enables us to play it in the same key that Joe Jackson recorded the song, which is like F sharp. Okay, so let's get to it. So there's only basically two parts to this song. That's like the intro stroke chorus, they're both the same sequence, and you've got the verse. Okay, well then boys and girls, we'll start with the intro, and we're starting off with a E major 7th chord. Now what we do with this, with the capo on the 2nd fret, we move up to the 7th fret from the capo and bar it with your first finger, okay, all the way across, and then we put these 3 fingers on. So the 3rd finger is playing the 9th fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string. The 2nd finger is playing the 8th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, the G string, and pinky is playing the 9th fret from the capo on the 2nd string, which is the old B string. Okay, and all 6 strings, nice slow deliberate arpeggiated like strum, and then we come up and play the 2nd string on its own, just a single note. Yeah, got that? Then we do a little strum, so it's like, so it's down, up, down, really. Okay, and you strum it how you wish, but this is my suggestion. Okay, okay, then we do 2 notes. I'm playing the 4th fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string, up to the 6th fret on the 4th string, the D string. Okay, so you got that. Then we play 2 chords, and what I suggest you do is, I'll show you this. The strike is just a single strike on the 1st chord, which is D major 7th. So you measured that chord you just played, the E major 7th. Well, it's exactly the same chord, but down 2 frets, same fingering. Bar this time on the 5th fret from the capo, 3rd finger on the 7th fret from the capo, 4th string, the D string, 2nd finger, 3rd string on the 6th fret from the capo, and the pinky on the 7th fret from the capo on the 2nd string. Again, it's just this time it's just a single strum on that D major 7th, and then go back to the 1st chord you played, the E major 7th, move it up 2 frets, and a couple of downstrokes. So now you've got this. Okay, so do it again slowly. Okay, got that? Something like that. If you want to change the strumming, please do. Okay, so you're doing it your way. And then we've got a nice little sequence here. Okay, so what am I doing there? So that's basically, I'm playing a G chord. You could play a standard fingering like that. I'm playing it reversed sort of thing, like a backward G. Whichever one you do, just do a single nice deliberate strum down. Then play the second on the third, the G string. And then the open B string, the second string. Sorry. And then we play an A chord. Okay, so it's standard A chord, 5 downwards. Okay, so far what we've got is this. That fingering for that, you can use whatever you want. You can. I tend to just move that finger down and blend. But you could just, if you're playing this way, just use your first finger to play that second on the third, open second, and then the A chord. Okay. Then we play a C chord. Strum the C chord 5 downwards. Then add your pinky to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string from the capo. And again 5 downwards if you like. Okay, so it's end up on that 2nd string on the 3rd fret there, and then play the top E string open. So you got and you're going up on a D chord. Okay, single strum on a D chord. Got that? So far, I've got this. And then you just, the way I do it, you do it again, the whole thing. So you do 2 lots of that for the intro. Okay, that's the way I did it. When you come out the second time, you go to the E chord, standard E chord, E major chord, okay? And that's where the verse starts. Now the mist of the window hides the lines, so that's E. Now the C, mist, mist across the D, window hides the E lines. Okay, you got that? So it's now the mist across the window hides the lines. Now there is a little bit in this which is an optional. Okay, it's like now. That bit, you can, if you can get that in, it sounds quite nice. It's on the record. It's that second. It's second on the 4th from the E chord, open D string to the C. That's when you, before you go to the C. Yeah. So it's now the mist. Got that? So now the mist. Da da dee. So that's an option. Okay. So let's do it from the beginning of the verse again, slowly. Now the mist across the window hides the lines. Next line. But see, nothing hides the D. Colour of the lights is B minor. Now I'm playing it as a bar chord, 2nd fret from the capo, minor shape. Okay. You could just play a simple version that way. 2nd fret from the capo, top E string, 3rd fret from the capo, 2nd string, and then the 4th fret from the capo with your 3rd finger and pinky on the 4th and 3rd strings, the D and the G string, 4 downwards. Okay, you can only play top 4 strings if you use that. Okay, so it's either that or the bar chord. Okay, So, from the beginning again. Now, the mist across the window hides the light. See nothing, D the colour, B minor the lights that see shine. D again, electricity, B minor T, so C fine. Look and D dry. You're back to the intro bit again. Okay, got that? So once again through the verse. E now, run down if you want. The mist across the window hides the lines, but nothing hides the colour of the lights that shine. Quick D, electricity, B minor, C fine. Look and D, try your intro. So you just play the intro once, okay, and then we go into verse 2, and it's exactly the same to play as verse 1, okay. We start of all the darkness in our lives, with no more angry words to say that come alive. Quick D, get into B minor and C da 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 da. Now this time we go into the intro again, but this time it's the chorus, so we sing over it. Me babe, stepping out into the night, into the light. Again, you babe, stepping out into the night, into the light. Okay, got it? And that's it. It just repeats more of the same, okay? After that, what I did with that was I came out on the second chorus where you babe, stepping out into the night, into the light. I ended up on an E major chord. Give it a pause and then play the intro again as the outro, right? Again if you like. End. I mean, there are more verses, okay? This is a slightly shortened version, so that's what I would do as an ending. Just a suggestion. But there are some more verses, but they play exactly the same way as verse 1 and verse 2 with different words, okay? So I hope you enjoyed that. It's a really lovely song, and unusual to see somebody playing it on the guitar, I think, which is quite novel. Okay, so bye for now.